The song that you just opened the show with is titled Shelter of the Broken,
Yes.
and part siya ng Being Ice album mo.
Yes.
So pwede mo bang ikwento what this song is all about?
Okay, so I've been suffering from depression medyo matagal na. I think it was 2003 when I was first diagnosed. I'd like to think I'm better now. I'm handling and managing myself better. But during year 2020, syempre pandemic yun, di ba? It's safe to say that napakarami sa atin, may mga pinagdadaanan talagang hindi maganda. Pero that time kasi parang feeling ko nagkasabay-sabay din sa akin because nawalan ako ng work because of the pandemic. And my dad was, bumalik yung cancer niya. And I really felt like hindi ko siya mapagamot kasi wala akong trabaho. So parang feeling ko rin, alam mo yun, parang feeling ko, ano pang purpose ko sa mundong to? Alam mo yun. So there was one night na, you know, I really wanted to end things. And then I didn't want to wake up my wife nun. So I messaged a friend. Actually, I messaged two friends. Yung isa sumagot. And then, sinabi ko sa kanya yung bala kong gawin nun. Tapos, usap lang kami. And then, kinabukasan, sinabi ko sa wife ko, yung mga pinagdaanan ko nung night na nakaraan. And then, siguro after a few days, I was just, alam mo yan, yung parang nag-brain dump ka lang. Nagsusulat ka lang ng mga kung ano-ano. Actually, itong song na to, nagsimula siyang parang rambling lang siya talaga eh. Kung ano lang naiisip kong words, sinusulat ko lang siya. Excuse me. And then I'm just blessed na si Trisha came into the picture. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, you know, you made sense of all my chaos at that time. Because I didn't even know that it was gonna sound so hopeful. Because if you read the first draft, oh my gosh, it's so sad. But because of Trisha, sobrang turn niya yung song na to ng pag pinahinggan mo, parang alam mo may kakapitan at may kakapitan ka.